Hello, dear aspirants. This is Dr. Sourav sir's class. We are solving our CSIR NET 2024 questions. So this question is about our linear algebra, and the question is saying that let A be R cross a 4 cross 4 real matrix whose minimal polynomial is my x square plus x plus 1. So the eigenvalues of A will be my a square plus x plus 1's roots. 1 equals to 0's roots are my eigenvalue of A. So let B be my A plus I4. Then which of the followings are necessarily true? That's a very easy question. So we can we know that our x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0 is coming from what? My x cube minus 1. Then we will get my this. Yeah. So these are the so when we get the cube root of the 1, then we get my 1 omega and omega square. So one case is here, so this is not required here. So we got our eigenvalues which are omega and omega square. So omega and omega square are roots of that. So they are the eigenvalues of our A. That means they are the distinct eigenvalues of A. Okay. So now we are going to find the eigenvalues of B. So what can be done for that? We know that if our eigenvalue of A was my lambda, then if we add identity with that, so then our eigenvalue will become lambda plus 1. We are using this trick here, so our lambda B, that means the eigenvalue of B will be my 1 plus omega and 1 plus omega square. Now putting omega, as we know that omega and omega square both satisfies this given equation, so for our omega we can write that omega square plus omega is equals to my 0. So our omega plus 1 will be my minus omega square, and our omega square plus 1 will be my minus omega. So our lambda B, that means the eigenvalues of B will be my minus omega square and minus omega. So now what can be done? So we can find the minimal polynomial of our B, because we know that I want to write with another color. Okay, so if we take this, then we will get my this. As we know that in that case we will get the this thing, that means the cube root of minus 1. They are what? One root will be my minus 1, another root will be minus omega and minus omega square. So this thing can be written as my x plus omega and x plus omega square. So our minimal polynomial of B is my x square minus x plus 1. So our option B is correct. So immediately our option A will be false, as they told that the minimal polynomial of B is x square plus x plus 1. So now we have to think about our C and D options. So what can be done? Okay. Okay. So our B. Okay, as we know that our eigenvalues of B cube will be what? Eigenvalues of B cube will be my minus omega square whole cube and minus omega whole cube. That will be what? This is my minus omega to the power 6 and minus omega cube. So as omega satisfy this equation, so then we can write that our omega cube will be my 1, because our omega is a cube root of our 1. So the eigenvalues of b will be my -1 and -1. So if we so we are using this trick here, that lambda plus 1 trick. So our eigenvalues of b cube are this. So if we take this matrix, then the eigenvalues of this will be what? There will be 0, 0 and all. So our -1 and -1 is here. So our b cube plus I4 will be equals to 0. I think this is my again the correct option. So our option D is correct and option C is false, as they given the wrong statement here. So okay. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.